Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today again we will take a look at the British pound. So actually Fathom Consulting has released a new research on the United Kingdom economy, and we have put them in the weekly research. So we would like to know some interesting stuff on the economy, what the big investors and analysts think about the perspective of the United Kingdom economy. It's very interesting research, and it really brings some insight on the long-term perspective on the Great British pound. So also we have some important tasks from the technical point of view on the Great British pound and the longer term charts. We mostly have described them in a weekly research analyzing of the monthly and weekly charts. Right now in this daily video it's really not as important, and we will resolve them as soon as market will approach the crucial levels. For that purpose, market needs to drop significantly lower. Right now in the daily video we are mostly interested with the setup that we could trade in the beginning of the next week on Monday. So usually, guys, when the market shows such certain reaction on the statistics or some other event, it brings a lot of setups for trading. So it's some kind of the gold mine for the trading. The release itself, so yesterday we have prepared the daily video on the Great British pound setup, so how it could be traded after reversal session has been formed here. This was really important. But if even you haven't traded the non-farm payrolls release, it's not really a big problem. Don't upset with that, because in the coming week we will get a lot of different setups. So right now even I will show you what we already have, in fact. So take a look that yesterday market hasn't quite reached our destination point, because as Trump has started, we said, well, here this will be minimum target for this collapse, because this is just a 3-8 minor retracement of this action, and right at 3250 area we've got a lot of different patterns targets. One of them is the butterfly that has been formed here, as you remember. It's final butterfly, and usually butterfly is treated as completed pattern as it has triggered the minor trade retracement. That is this level. Even without taking into consideration this butterfly, by looking at this strong downward action as tail closing of these candles, it means that at least nearest support should be reached. Second, guys, we are currently actually are not interested with any other levels that stand below this area, because here is daily oversold, and it means that the floor for at least for the 2 sessions, Monday, Tuesday, maybe it will be this support area. And in general, this is rock hard support, because this is not just oversold. You can see here is confidence support 29.85, 130 on rate. This is also monthly pivot support 1. It's really strong support. So that is the background of our first setup. As market hasn't quite reached it, it's a lot of distance since still till this area, we will be watching for minor intraday retracement, trying to jump short with the target around 130 area. That's the first trading stop that we have on Monday. Currently it seems that's very small potential, it's 40 pips, but when retracement will happen, guys, this could be approximately 100 pips potential, because we were not intending to jump in right at this area. We would like to get some rally to sell into on intraday charts. What the second setup we could get until the end of the week? Second setup, guys, is possible trading Great British pound on the long side with upward bounce. Why? Because this is very strong support, and here you could recognize the shape of the hand shoulders patterns could be formed. Take a look at this most recent retracement stands at 1.618 ratio to the potential head. So here we could get the neckline as market will reach this area. As we will get this area and market starts to coiling around this level, we should keep an eye on intraday charts for bullish reversal pattern. As soon as we will get it, we could try to take the position with potential target around 131. Finally, third short-term setup will be trading of the hand shoulders pattern itself. So it will be A, B, C top, some D pattern with a potential target 128, 50 area, if the harmony of this pattern will be kept. So as you can see, just minor drop here, open road for a lot of different setups for trading on the daily on intraday charts. But right now, let's focus on the first one, how we will trade potential continuation to this area. So for that purpose, we need the intraday chart and 4-hour time frame chart. Take a look what really has happened. So market has broken long-term trend support, and actually, guys, it has stopped right at the former weekly pivot support one last week. It was slightly higher than the daily support area. What we see here, first of all, we see the tail closing of the candles here. Very small retracement, just freight retracement that we used yesterday. On Friday, we also do not see any profit taken by the close of the session. It means that investors keep short positions. They are not take profit. They do not treat this plunge as the short term. It's just minor reaction. They hope that this downward action will continue. This is the first moment. Second, as we said, market is not oversold on the daily. It means that it has no significant barriers here. That's why we should focus on minor retracement. Personally, I think that should be 130.75 area with a probable stop placing above the conflicts. This is some kind of the Judd Napoli minesweeper entry tactics. But at the same time, you should keep your eyes open. So if you will get the strong upward open on Monday, something of that sort, maybe at least if market with the open will reach just confidence support immediately, it will mean that we probably will get deeper retracement, some kind of the ABCD action. The market, even with this ABCD action, could retest this trend line and reach 131.70 area. This sometimes happens when the market creates the reversal swing. And here definitely market has created the reversal swing. Usually after reversal swing, some kind of the ABC retracement could follow. So just keep your eyes open and see what will happen. If open on Monday will be flat and choppy, something of that sort, then focus on these two levels. If open will be strong to the upside, focus on these two levels. But wherever open will happen, it's very great chances that market will not erase overall bearish tendency and will not erase our idea of downward continuation right to the 130 area. So as soon as rally will be completed, take the position some of the levels. So personally, I think that probably will be this level and stop somewhere above this confidence support and weekly pivot point. It's also this strong resistance area. So in current circumstances, it seems that market should not break this level to the upside. Taking consideration of this drop, taking consideration the market actually is not at the support. So that's why I think that retracement will be minor on Monday. As soon as we will get the rally to sell into, we could take the short position with the continuation right to the 130 target that we have right now on the daily chart. So that's the idea of the first trade that we could try to do on Monday. As soon as we will drop here, in our daily videos, we will discuss the next steps that could be traded. So that's situation that we see right now on Great British Pound. It's really very interesting, and it's a lot of clear setups are forming here, guys. So currently, guys, definitely the Great British Pound trading is one of the most clear currencies for trading, and it has clear fundamental background. So it's very attractive for trading currently, compared even to other currencies. So let's see what will happen on Monday, and let's hope that our setup will work.